What's up, YouTube? As you can already see by the thumbnail of this video, we're gonna be blowing some shit up. I got a couple different things we're gonna be blowing up. I got a pair of my old Air Force Ones we're gonna send to the moon. I have a frozen ham, I don't remember what it was, and a pineapple, and maybe some other stuff, whatever I find laying around. But yeah, that's today's video. We're gonna blow some shit up, see what happens. Obviously, it's Tannerite, so let me show you guys what I got. All right, I got, I think 5 pounds. I got some more in my other case, but this is, yeah. These are each half-pound canisters. Also, yeah, forgot to show you guys. We have upgraded again. I got the wheeler, so now I don't have to carry my drawers. If you guys haven't seen that, this is my drawers. Very handy, very handy. But yeah, so obviously it's a pack out, so this guy stacks right on top of that guy, and easy. Wheel it around, wheel it all the way out here. Requirements: must be at least 21 years old to purchase. Always use shooter eye protection. Requires 40 grain bullet. Do not combine multiple targets. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, all right, we don't really need that. We're good. Come on, we're good. All right, so essentially, I guess you just open this bad guy up. Good for the environment. Yeah, you just open this guy up here. And then, does it look like it's my first time doing this? Because it's not. It's not. So I figured how we start this is we start with just a half pound. We won't blow anything up yet, just to see what we're working with, right? We got to see what type of explosion we're getting in here, okay? We shall pour the powder. I don't know if I'm allowed to show this. I don't know. This may or may not be blurred. If it's blurred, you know why. If it's not, it means I did some research and you guys can see. I hope you guys can see. I want you to see. You know what I mean? Because this is, you know, it's like we're doing this together. It's like you're here right now, right? Maybe I'll even let you shoot one. Maybe. All right, so you just put this guy in here. And you give her a good shake. You get this shit all up in here.
That's what she said.
It doesn't tell you what method to shake. So I guess we'll do a universal. You know. Maybe behind the back. All right. There she is. Okay, this is half a pound at Tannerite. Holy shit! All right, we got the Tannerite right underneath the pineapple. So, hoping hit that and blow her all to hell. All right, we changed our setup here a little bit, and I got a little baby mag. This is shot 2 at the pineapple. She just got a little scuffed up. We gotta up it, man. We gotta up it. And I think next are the Air Forces. All right, for science, we're gonna take this guy and we're just gonna stuff it real deep in there. Shoe, and for the hell of it, we'll just put that guy. Actually, can we? Here. There. Lovely. Just loading mags, loading mags. All I do is load mags all day. 5.56 at Air Forces full of Tannerite. Here we go. Holy. My shoe is somewhere. It's right here is where our thing was. Here's our pineapple. It is in pieces. We gotta check the footage, guys. I have no idea where it went. Upon further review, I have no idea where it went. I checked the footage, guys, I'm sorry. The way I see it is there's two options. It completely blew it up, or it flew somewhere really far. Because this is all I found from the footage. We have string from the laces, and then you come over here and we have more string, but shoe? I have no idea. All right, same deal as last time. We shoved it deep in there, and hopefully we can find it this time, or maybe it truly did just blow it up. Here we go, attempt number 2 at my Air Forces. This time, we got some evidence. I don't even need to look at the footage, okay? Number 1, we have the tongue. Nice. Number 2, we have oh, dude, that stinks. And not just feet smell. No, smell. I mean, boom boom smell. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that word. Yeah. That is a bad day for your foot. I don't know. I feel like I could still wear them, maybe. You know, maybe I'll just convert them into like slippers. Wear around the house. I don't see why not. You know, they're like slip-ons. Pretty comfy. The way that blew up really makes me think that the other one is around here somewhere. And I feel like I'm gonna find it sooner or later. I don't know. This right here is what they don't want you to do. Now, I'm no expert on it. Boom booms, but more ingredients of boom boom make bigger boom boom. Here's the setup. We have a butt roast. Oh, okay, that's what it was earlier. I did not know. And our 1 pound right underneath it. Hopefully, I did this right. I know it looks pretty ate up, but I think this will bring us luck, okay? All right, this is 5.56. I have my LWRC. Oh, my bad. This actually is 2.23. Oh, like it really matters. This is 1 pound. That's pork butt. Holy shit. Here's our crater. Yeah, that actually picks up pretty good on camera. And here's our little makeshift stand cone thing. That's demolished. Cool. And here she is. She looks still pretty intact. I mean, she took flight. She is frozen, by the way. While I was coming over here to get that pork butt, guess what I found on the ground? The first shoe. And we're all the way over there. I mean, that's a good like 20 feet. Wow. There it is. That's the new slipper, man. So if you like these, check out the shop. These will be available. No, I'm just kidding. Imagine. Hey, if you guys want to buy it, I'll yeah. I mean, pretty stylish, I think. I'd wear them personally. I might bring some more old shoes here and make slippers. All right, this is frozen pork butt attempt number 2. We got 1 pound underneath there. We're gonna light her up again. All right, this is numero dos against frozen pork butt. Holy shit, launched it again. Did y'all get that? All right, here's our crater again. And take a little jog. Here she is. That time, she split open. Wow. All right, obviously, that's disgusting. I'm not gonna grab that with my bare hands, because fuck that. I figured just to finish her off, this can't be for the love of Glock without a Glock in the video, right? That was today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I enjoyed it. Still got all my fingers. Still got all my toes, I think. So we're good. Face is all right. So that's all I care about. There will be a part 2 in the future. I don't know when, but definitely gonna be, we'll move it up maybe some 3 pounds, maybe some 5 pounds. And if you're lucky, maybe we'll blow something big up. Hint, hint, wink, wink. But if you guys don't know, I post every Saturday, so make sure you guys tap in and like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.